All right, y'all, we are back at you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris files.
That's right, guys. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart looking for free plants. But we got to get going because someone else is out to get them. Who is it?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the waste management landscape debris trucks. They come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get them first. So we're gonna get going, guys. You can see it's early and it's like a frigid 66 degrees out here. We're all bundled up. So we're gonna get going and we'll get back with you when we get something good. All right, so you guys can see here, there's a lot of piles out. We'll be coming across a ton of piles today. Unfortunately, a lot of these piles are just clippings and tree branches. This is all left over from Hurricane Ian. You'll see there's tons and tons of them. But there's nothing good in these piles, so we're gonna keep looking. Now, we got up early today, but these guys got up earlier than us. Right, guys? Yeah, we're gonna have to blow past them real quick to get the good stuff here. Somebody. All right, we got some Song of India, and Annalisa spotted, yeah, Plumeria. Sweet. We're gonna grab that stuff up. All right, looks like we just rolled up on. Oh yeah.
And
some aloe, and I don't know if that's a dwarf snake plant or
it's just been cut, I think.
All right, well, it's got roots. We'll grab it. All right, guys, we just rolled up on a bunch of pothos here. I see some more over there, but these look like the best cuttings.
Yeah, the thin ones are the ones that root better.
Yeah, we're gonna grab some of those. All right, we just finished grabbing the pothos, but then we noticed the century plant here. So we're gonna grab that up too.
Those are nice ones.
All right, we just rolled up on 2 different varieties of tea plant here. Oh, they look like good cuttings too.
Oh, fresh.
Yeah, we're gonna grab all that up for sure. All right, it looks like there's a bromeliad hiding in there. Is it? Yes. Excellent. Is there any more in there? Doesn't look like it. All right. All right, so this is one of the most impressive piles of bromeliads I've ever seen. Just look at them all. Oh my gosh. Should we get one of them? Couple of them?
I see a good one right here. It's little.
All right, Annalisa's gonna grab one. She's calling it little. Looks massive to me. Grab that pup, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all these bromeliads.
Here's another one.
We gotta go. She'll be here all day picking at these. I'm just gonna, we'll let her walk home with her bromeliads. Oh, if there's just one more, there'd be a chair for all of us.
I know.
Bummer.
They just need new
chair.
Bummer.
They just need new seats.
This is what happened to the last people that took plants from this yard. So I think we're just gonna keep moving. I don't want to be buried there, that's for sure. All right, so we made it back.
Made it back. This
We
was
got-
a pretty good week.
Yeah, it was. Like I said earlier in the video, guys, there was a ton of piles out there, but they were from Hurricane Ian from several weeks ago. So almost everything in those piles was old and dead. So we really had to be selective and go for the fresh piles. But
Yeah.
there's plenty to choose from. So where are we gonna start?
I'm gonna pull these out first.
Oh yeah, jeez. I don't think I've ever seen that many bromeliads on the side of the road before. I mean, that was like a million bajillion.
They must have just let them go wild.
Yeah. But we got 2 of them, and we can just stick this right in the ground. I know it looks like it might not live, but it will. Those are tough little plants.
Yeah, they are.
I mean,
We do that all the time.
I say we have, she's about to pull out the tea plants here. I say that we have real good luck with those, but I mean, the bromeliads we have just really good luck with. I mean, with transplanting, I mean. All right, so I think
Unless
we got,
they're too small. Like
hey,
if
can you put all this stuff in the sun so it's, the camera's kind of weird with the light. Yeah, there we go. So I think we got 2 different kinds of tea plants, right?
Yeah, here's Red
got-
Sister.
Yeah. And then that one, this one's so
This is
pretty.
What's this one?
I forget what that one's called.
Sunset or something?
Yeah, I forget what this one was called. Oh, you have a bromeliad stuck in here. Oh, this is a different kind of
Oh, we
bromeliad.
got that out of another box.
Yeah, that's right. Sweet. All right, so 2 kinds of bromeliads and 2 kinds of tea plant. All right, next. Looks like you got a couple things there too.
This is some kind of a century plant.
Yeah, it is. I'm not sure. We have a couple variegated varieties
I think we have
of
this kind.
Like I'll show them right over here. We have the same plant. Some kind of century plant, variegated century plant. Believe it or not, guys, we got this one off the side of the road for free too. It's just a beautiful plant. It looks like we just got a solid green version of it.
Yeah.
So now these things,
spikes on it.
yeah, they do have spikes on the end. They're real sharp. Actually, what Annalisa's done along the driveway, we have another one behind her minivan there. We just cut the little spikes off.
Yeah,
So when the
just,
kids
like,
are
trim
playing,
it. Yeah.
I mean, you got to keep up with it because it keeps shooting out
Really,
new
I
lobes.
just trim
but-
these like outer ones because like that's like
Yeah,
a wicked needle.
right.
That could
Right, I
really,
know.
That could like pop your eyeball out.
Yeah. Oh man. All right. Well, anyways, yeah. So any of the ones that are hanging, like kind of in the driveway where the kids would play, we just snip the little ends, and seems to take care of it. All right. We got some pothos. Some giant golden pothos. And these
So
leaves.
I wrapped this in a pot and put dirt on it, and that seemed to do the trick.
You mean you wrapped the?
I just took this vine and wrapped one in a pot.
Oh,
Let's
the
see-
last time we
let's see if we can find
propagated it.
it. Yeah.
Yep. Let's see, our yard got destroyed a little bit by the hurricane, but we've cleaned up pretty good. This little, our potting area here. Let's see, where is it? Where is it?
It's in like a
Yeah, I remember. I
like
remember.
a hanging pot type of a.
Oh, okay. Maybe I don't remember it. Where did it go? We have all these little plants that need to go in the ground. That's not it, is it? Right there?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, there we go.
We just planted a cactus in there too.
Oh, yeah, we did. Oh, it's doing good though. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see what she did, guys. She just wrapped the vine around in the pot and then put some dirt on top of it.
And now it's going crazy.
Because I've tried to transplant it several times. I wanted to grow up these cabbage palms. Not this one, but cabbage palms. And I've tried to plant it at the base of them, and it's died a bunch for me. You can see this one right here is alive. And these leaves will get to be, I mean, at least 10 times as big as this. They get to be huge. I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
It's very invasive. You gotta
yeah, it is.
You gotta really keep up with it.
it is.
But it's cool.
Super tropical.
And I just love how the leaves are like giant.
Yeah.
So pretty. All right, wait, I think we got some more.
What else you got?
I've got this.
Looks like you got two things there.
And here's some aloe.
Okay, nice.
I think this is the kind that gets the really pretty red flowers.
Yeah,
It looks
this-
like the red hot pokers
Yep. Yeah.
flower.
Well, that is some spiky aloe.
And
And
then
it's got roots too, guys. A lot of the stuff we grab, like these tea plants, you don't need roots to transplant them. But you know, when we get a plant with roots, we're stoked. So
snake plant. I don't know if it's like a dwarf kind.
Yeah.
It looks like if they cut it back.
I don't know.
And then
This might
fold
be a
it,
little
but
dwarf
I don't
kind.
know.
We have this same kind of variety, but it's your, you know, typical like 2 3 foot tall lobes. That looks like a dwarf to me.
And then we've got mystery plumeria.
Sorry, piece of plumeria. We find so much plumeria on the side of the road. We usually don't grab it, but we did this time because it was the first thing we found.
And
Oh, and
some
some
raggedy,
Song of India.
dusty song of India. But this will do well.
Yep, this is another one you can plant just from cuttings.
I don't think we've had one of these fail.
No, they're tough. They're a little slow to get going, but they are tough plants.
And I mean, what we just like all we do for all these plants, we don't really like baby them or put them in pots too much. Sometimes we do. But
We'll clean them up. We'll take some of these older leaves off. You know, I don't know, these look like good cuttings, but we'll take some of these older leaves off and
cut the bottom again.
yeah,
so it
cut
has
the
like
bottom.
A fresh cutting.
Yeah, definitely.
But
then we just stick it right in the ground.
Right in the ground, and if it makes it. It makes it.
I mean, we find so much of it that we
I
don't
know,
have to
I
try.
mean, it's
super
not like
hard.
we're
Yeah,
out too much, but
Yeah.
yeah, most of it makes it.
it
It's
does.
great.
It's crazy.
It is.
All right, y'all. Well, if you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here today, just post down below. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.